Welcome to Da Nang. Hello, Marcos. Goodbye, Marcos. We're gonna leave him alone. Hello, wife. You wanna come? Okay. Here. All right. We are at the Thuong 5 where we stopped the last time, but we're gonna go to the right. We're gonna go a little bit to the not beer street, it's a nightlife street with a lot of bars. I wanna see if they have something new here. This is Scallywags, a sports bar. And right opposite is a banh mi place. I'm kinda down for some little snack, to be honest. But what should I get here? That's the question. Oh, actually I have some in my mind. Yeah, we're just gonna get a coffee first. Ma'am, you can walk here. Oh, look at this. They renovated here, right? This is like a bar. Ooh, looks pretty cool. Hello. Don't worry. Just sleep. Hey, mate. Oh, look at this. All right, okay. So at this time, nothing is open yet. There's this new hookah pub. Hey, let's walk there real quick. Check this one out.
Hookah.
The last time I walked there, it was still closed. What does Mui Chuk... Ah, that's a Happy New Year, right? Yeah, all right. And Fune Sushi. This Fune Sushi burned out completely overnight some years ago, and they just built it up in 2 weeks again. Looks pretty nice now. It looks actually better now. So this is a hookah bar. Okay, hi. All right, I think there's also an upstairs area, wood decor, and a bakery. It's a very hidden bakery. Do you think it's open? It is open, actually. Do you think they have some nice things here? Let's check it out. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Ooh. What do you have fine here? All right, chocolate bread. Chocolate bread.
Chocolate bread.
Whole. Oh, nice. Do you have like sourdough bread too? Dark rye lao.
Sourdough, we have sourdough sandwich.
Sandwich.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, awesome.
No?
Oh, here.
No, sourdough sandwich.
Okay. They have pretzels for 15K. Sour sandwich here. You have pretzels? Oh, okay.
But you need to slide.
Ooh. And you have pretzels?
That's it?
Pretzel?
Well, yeah. When the guest order, I make order because not so much of people order.
Oh.
Yeah.
I like pretzels, but okay.
Yeah.
And what is this? Cookies. All right, we're gonna go out. It sounds. Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Bye-bye. Yeah, maybe a little bit earlier because it's already 4 p.m. So obviously this is a nice bike. And look at this, Arcade Social Bar. It's also closed still. Most likely gonna be open. This looks pretty cool here. They changed it up completely. It's a very cool area. Henna. This is henna food, I think. So they have all kinds of, what is this, Bao Chow? It looks like an apartment building. And this is a Michelin-rated Indian restaurant here. It's vegetarian or vegan, I don't know, and non-vegan. It's a mix. That looks very good. I never tried it out though. All prepared by chefs from India. Okay. And here, there's a Dreamer store. Pearl Villa. Maybe you can rent
They're
this.
renting out this.
Most likely on
pretty sure.
Airbnb, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they renovated that. And here's a $4 foot massage and $4 hair wash. And some friends of mine actually live in this area here. Levy Hotel, An 2. apartment. Okay. Look at the dogs here. They look so dumb and cute at the same time. This is a bit of the problem. They're just hanging out here, and if you wanna bring your dog here around, they're gonna bark at the dog or try to attack. Yeah. I never actually walked in the street, but look at this beautiful VinFast VF3. It's such a cute little car. I would like to drive that. It would be so funny, me with 6'4", going out of this small car. Great. Oh, look at this. You can buy SIM cards here. SIM card store. See this? SIM cards. They also have Virtel. 110. Internet package, 1, 3 months, 6 months. Interesting. Okay. What do you say about that?
I think it's legit.
Oh, that was something totally different. I was in a meetup one time here, but this is different. Or they renovated it. I'm not sure. Is it still Arrows? Was it Arrows before? Those are the Amazon drivers of Da Nang.
One of my boyfriends.
Yeah, it's so funny. She orders so much. There's always a guy calling her in the morning. Oh, I've got your present. I've got your thing. The delivery guys. So, what is this cool store? What does it mean, baby? Ah, it's just a store. Here are some villas and private houses, and then we're going to ooh, it's a huge house. It's a 3-story big house. So this street here, left and right, is full of little beer places where you can also get seafood, grilled meats, and this is the start of the beginning of the Mai Tuk Lan street. Mai Tuk Lan. We walked in the street as well. I'm not sure what kind of building this is. I think it's a government building.
I think it's a school.
Maybe it's a school, but they just built this huge, big house there. Very modern, very fast actually built that. It's like a school or maybe something with the government, I believe. Because there are like serious guards there. Maybe it's military also. Yeah, most likely military. So I think this is also a reason why this area is so safe, right? You have like 2-3 military places, and yeah, you don't need police here. Nothing gonna happen here. Maybe it's even police. It's green. I'm not sure. I haven't seen much police in Da Nang, so I'm not 100% sure what color the police is wearing. I know traffic police is beige. I saw that, but I have no idea how the police looks like. It's so rare that I see them. And no one ever would call them anyways. Let's walk to Mai Tuk Lan Street and then go to our favorite coffee. Corner coffee? So this is one thing I absolutely don't understand. This is a pavement, a walkway. And they just put in stupid flowers just to block it, right? Just to block the way. Like, what kind of reason it has that? I just don't understand it at all. Here they did it as well, but at least in a nice way. They have this beautiful bonsai trees, very nice looking. You can still walk around, right? So look at this beautiful bonsai trees. Super good. But then you got some morons here again. So now you have to do this. Yeah, this is Vietnam. Look at this. Ooh. Good fusion food. Oh wow. This is gonna be a big project. They're gonna do something big here. I don't know if it's gonna be like an apartment building or just another restaurant. But it's a premium land. So they're just preparing it now. Pretty interesting. This is Mistake, Vietnam, and Rainbow Poke. It's all together, all one owner. I like those old Toyotas. I don't know why, but after I got 30 or over 30 years old, I like Toyotas. I thought I would always, my whole life, would drive German cars, because I'm a German. I'm from Munich, so I drive BMW. But nowadays, I'm like, nah, you know what? I want to have a reliable car if I want to have one. And BMW is nice, but not reliable. I remember, it's like, if you have older BMWs, there's some things breaks down all the time. All the time. This is also a very, very popular beer place. And they have lots of cheap beer and very good food actually. It's where people meet and drink and eat, and yeah, lots of business meetings will end up here. If you're on a business trip in Vietnam, you usually will end up drinking beer with the people you do business on the daytime. And if you don't, you might not do business with them anymore. This is also a big residential apartment building. And this is Detroit style pizza. Look at this. Last time we talked about pizza. No, this is the American style pizza. I think they have Chicago and they have Detroit. And maybe also New York style, maybe? What kind of pizza is your favorite pizza? Comment below, please. And here's also a 24 hours co-working space. And you only have to pay for a drink to enter. Yeah, look at this. Again, pavement, and they just put in flowers. Just to interrupt it. Hey! He's taking Grab bikes? Who is he? These Americans. Yeah. It's my best friend, by the way. He's just visiting us for 5 days. And we're gonna actually have a very nice dinner today in the city center. I will actually try out a restaurant over the river that has 9,600 positive reviews. I gotta check that out. I'm not a big fan of those places, but I have to check it out. And I will actually link it here. Yeah, I will link it here. So check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.